I've always known that I'm a very hands-on person and a visual learner, so Sentinel ended up being like the perfect fit for me.
Automobile accidents happen every day, and there's a shortage of skilled workers in the industry who know how to analyze, repair, and refinish damaged vehicles. This program covers all of this and the many phases of collision repair. You will gain these skills by completing your own projects in lab, shadowing local professionals, and job placement in the field. The safe work habits you learn, along with responsibility and pride in your work that's instilled in this program, will give you a well-rounded experience and make you a highly sought-after candidate. You can work in collision repair shops, factories for industrial painting, railroads, airports, and marinas.
I enjoy working on cars and learning how to maintain them, but I've also learned topics such as vehicle financing and insurance, which gives me a well-rounded experience.